Hi there, and welcome to Startup Domains. I'm Vera, and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you're thinking about launching or enhancing your online business, then before you do anything, you need to be aware of information that can help you make the right decisions to set yourself up for success. One of the most critical decisions you'll make is choosing the perfect domain name. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to understand. In this video, Understanding the Best Domain, New GTLDs for Startup Success. We'll show you how selecting the right domain can give your startup the competitive edge it needs. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your business to the next level, stick with us. You won't want to miss this. First things first, let's talk about the domain landscape. Finding a short, memorable .com domain can feel nearly impossible, especially if your business name is already taken or being sold at a high aftermarket price. For example, if you own a cell phone store called Phoenix, chances are the name Phoenix.com has already been registered by someone else. Instead of settling for a long, cumbersome domain like PhoenixCellphone.com or HoustonPhoenix.com instead, you can explore new GTLDs. With these, you have the flexibility to choose a name like Phoenix Store, Phoenix Shop, or even Phoenix Services. With the new GTLDs, your options are virtually unlimited. Why is this important? Because your domain name is more than just an address. It's the identity of your brand online. With new GTLDs, you can choose a name that not only reflects what your business niche does, but also resonates with your target audience. For instance, if you're launching an online store, a domain like Phone Repair Store instantly tells customers what you offer, making your brand easier to remember and trust. But before you jump into registering a domain, it's important to understand the current market. The reality is that domain selection is more strategic than ever. Startups need to consider not only availability, but also relevance, memorability, and search engine optimization. The good news? New GTLDs offer the flexibility you need to find a name that checks all these boxes. ICANN, the organization responsible for managing domain names, launched the new GTLD program in 2012 to expand the domain name possibilities. Today, there are over 1,200 new GTLDs available. This gives you a unique opportunity to select a domain that stands out in your industry. Whether it's Phoenix Photography for a photography business or Phoenix Tech for a tech startup, there's a GTLD that fits your needs. And here's a powerful option you might not have considered: the DGDN extension, which stands for Global Domain Name. The GDN extension is versatile, with the abbreviation GDN commonly used across multiple industries, such as Google Display Network, Guardian, and Global Data Network. This makes .gn a strong choice for businesses and experts in related fields, as it can naturally express a connection to these industries, enhancing your brand's relevance and recognition. With .gn, you can craft a domain that perfectly aligns with your business's identity and industry, like Agency GDN or Academy GDN. So how do you go about choosing the right domain name? Start by brainstorming ideas that align with your brand's mission and vision. Next, use domain search tools to explore what's available in the new GTLD space, including options like .store, club, online, .guru, and many others that align with your business niche. Let's explore some new GTLD and how you can use these GTLDs to enhance your brand's online presence. For instance, store. If you're in retail, choosing a domain like Designer Store makes it instantly clear that your website is all about selling designer products. It's direct, memorable, and perfect for e-commerce. Another example, club running a membership site or a community. Domains like Fitness Club or Book Lovers Club not only tell people what you're about, but also create a sense of belonging and exclusivity. For businesses that want to emphasize their digital presence, online is another good new GTLD, a domain like Movies. Online offers flexibility and a modern feel, making it suitable for a wide range of industries. For coaches or trainers, Guru is another perfect new GTLD. Position yourself as an expert with a domain like fitness.guru. And here's something important to remember. When it comes to SEO or how Google ranks your site in search results, there is no technical difference between traditional TLDs like .com or .net and new GTLDs like .store or .guru. Google treats all TLDs the same, so your focus should be on creating high-quality, relevant content and ensuring a great user experience. The bottom line is that choosing a domain with a new GTLD is not just about finding an available name. It's a strategic move to showcase your business niche and expertise. From the very first glance, your domain can communicate that your site offers authoritative guidance and specialized services in your field. This clarity helps attract the right clients who are specifically looking for the expert insights or services you provide. It's about making your business stand out and ensuring that your online presence aligns perfectly with what you do best. Each of these GTLDs helps to convey the purpose and value of your brand to your target audience. Look for names that are easy to remember, relevant to your business, and well optimized for search engines. This is your chance to be creative and set the foundation for a memorable online presence. Your domain name is the cornerstone of your online presence. Getting it right can set the tone for your entire brand. If you're serious about making your startup successful online, start by exploring the new GTLDs available today, whether it's store for your online shop or club for your community site. For more tips and insights on building your business online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content, and join us on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your venture.